Hello friends, this is Sunil Chawda and today I am going to share you a program to calculate odd numbers. So here the question is program to display all odd numbers between range entered by user. Now here let us consider that user will enter the starting number and ending number, and we are going to display all the numbers, all the odd numbers between those two numbers. So how can we do that? Let us go to BlueJ. This is my BlueJ screen and I'm going to create a class odd range. I hope you all know how to create a class. In order to create a class, we click on new class. We will get this box and we click on OK. The moment we click on OK, the class will get created. Here I will consider that input will be done with the use of scanner. I hope you know how to use scanner. If you don't know scanner, you go through my other scanner lessons. I am opening editor. The editor is open. First of all, we will remove all the inbuilt contents given. Now here, program to display all odd numbers between range entered by user. Here I have added a single line comment. I am taking scanner, import java.util.scanner class odd range. Now here I am taking main method. Once main method is taken, first and foremost thing we will do is we will create object of a scanner class. So scanner sc is equals to new scanner system.in. After that I will declare my variable. Now here I have to take range from the user, that means the starting number as well as the ending number, and to display multiple numbers I have to design a loop. So I am taking 1 and 1 for starting number and 2 for ending number and variable I for loop. Now the next thing we will do is asking user to enter starting and ending number. So I am writing system.out.println enter starting number, n1 is equals to sc.nextInt. Why nextInt? Because we are scanning integer from the user. I am writing next message for the user, enter ending number, n2 is equals to sc.nextInt. So we have taken starting number, we have taken ending number. Now I will write a plain loop which will display all the numbers between the numbers entered by the user. So I am writing a for loop for I is equals to n1, that is the starting number, I less than equal to n2. Why less than equal to? We have to reach till n2 and I plus plus. Now after this I am just simply printing all the numbers, system.out.println I. This is incomplete program so far. Let us compile and run and see the output. So when I compile, it says class compiled, no syntax error. Now I am going to BlueJ screen and I say void main. It is asking me the starting number. Starting number is 11, ending number I am writing 20, and it is displaying all the numbers between 11 and 20. Now I have to display only odd numbers. So what is odd number logic? Odd number logic says whenever you divide a number by 2 and if you are getting a remainder 1, then that number is a odd number. So how do I will change this? So I'll make a small change. Before printing a number, I will check whether that number is odd or not. So I'm writing if my I is a variable which is displaying or which is holding all the numbers at a time. So I mod 2, what this will do, it will divide the number and display the or calculate the remainder. If that remainder is 1, then the number is a odd number, and if this is happening, then and only then I will print I, otherwise I will not print I. Okay, so else part is not required here, only if part. I am compiling it, again it says no syntax error, and when I run this program, again I am writing same values 11 and 20, and it is displaying all the odd numbers between 11 and 20. Now let us try it again. What if I want to put a message as well? So that message I am putting before the loop. I am writing system.out.println odd numbers are. This message I have written just above the loop, not the inside the loop. If I am writing it inside, it will be displayed again and again. So what I have done, I have written it before loop. I am compiling the program, and now I am running the program again. Void main, I am writing some other set of number 34 and 65. Let us see. Now it is displaying a heading odd numbers are, and it is displaying all the odd numbers. Yes, that's it for today. This is Sunil Chawda. Thank you very much.